Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this StoreYourBoard chair mount shelf. So I recently just got this just because my chairs before, they were just laying against the wall and it seemed to take up a lot of space. But this right here holds up, I believe, to around 600 to 800 pounds. It's very easy to install. It already comes assembled with this mounts right that you see right over here. And you can see here, I have 3 chairs and they're pretty heavy duty chairs that are aligned on each of the shelves. So there's 3 chairs here and then 3 chairs here. I basically just found 2 studs that are 16 inches apart and it comes with the bolts. But yeah, really neat way to go ahead and organize your chairs without having it take up too much space. This is what it looks like afterwards as far as me mounting my chairs to the wall. I have the chairs upside down, but of course you could have them upright. But if you're looking for a nice, neat way to kind of store your chairs, I honestly think I can even add a 4th chair over here and it would still be fine. But right now in our house, we only have 6 chairs. So there's 3 on this one and 3 on that one. And as you can see, it mounts really well. So overall, I've had no problems with this StoreYourBoard product whatsoever.